guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you step by step on how you can create a Binance account and start using it for your cryptos and other things that I'm going to show you right in this video. If you are just coming across my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning viewer right on this channel, I welcome you back to this channel. This is Sylvester. I make videos centered around making money online with cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, telecommunication, NFT, and lots more. So right in this video, I'll be showing you how you can start to create your own Binance account in any country. So you are not limited to United States, United Kingdom, India, or Pakistan, France, anywhere you want to create your Binance account from, you can easily create your Binance account, right? So right now, I want you to know what Binance is at first before we jump to creating the account. Binance is a crypto trading platform where you can buy and trade up to 600 plus cryptocurrency. So what you need to do is just to set up your account, then verify your personal information, and you get into the Binance system. So right here, from the right side, you can see that you can also create your Binance NFT. Binance have a marketplace where people can sell their NFT. I also sell my own NFT uh, online. So also, if you want me to make video center around NFT, how you can mint NFT for free, how you can sell your NFT for free without paying any gas fee, I will also do this video. But if you want me to do it, let me know at the comment box so that I can know the amount of people that want this kind of video. Okay, so right here, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Then you can see that Binance has traded or done an exchange or trading of $76 million, and they have 600 plus cryptocurrency that is being listed on their platform. Over 90 million users are trusting Binance, and they have low transaction fee. So you might be considering of using other trading platform to start buying or selling, or to even hold your cryptocurrency. But trust me, Binance transaction fee is very low. Now, if you want to enjoy more low rates on transaction fee, I will advise that you register with the link at the description of this video so that you also get a bonus when you register with the link at the description of this video. So these are some of the popular cryptocurrency that Binance have on their platform. They have BNB, that's Binance Smart Chain. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Project Galaxy, Green Metal, Fast Token, and lot of them. There are 600 plus cryptocurrency that is trading, that people are buying and selling right on this channel. So what are the things that you need to do before you can start making use of Binance platform? So first thing you need to do is you have to create some personal profile information. You have to fund your accounts, verify your ID. That's, you have to use one of the means of valid and identification, be it your passport, any valid means of identification that is approved by the government official. So then you start trading your cryptocurrency. So trading your cryptocurrency means you can start selling or you can start buying. You can make use of the Binance on the web, or you can even make use of the Binance on the app. So right here, you can grow your business with Binance Pay. If you are a developer, you want to receive payments with Binance, you can also use that. You can dive into the world of NFT using Binance Marketplace that I show you up there. Then you can also hold your crypto fund and start making profit on it. Okay, so anywhere you are, you can trade your cryptocurrency. Like I said, you can use Binance on the web. You can use it on the App Store. So if you are using iOS supported phone, if you are using Android phone, you can make use of Binance. And if you want to download it on Google Play Store, you want to download You can make use of Binance on Mac OS supported operating system and even on Windows and Linux. Then you can also get the Binance API and call it into your project. So if you are a developer, you should understand what API is. I'm a developer, I'm a web developer, so I know very well what this API is. Now, these are the features that Binance offer to you. First, Binance give you a secure asset fund so that your funds are being secure. They give you personal access control so you can control which device can access or log in into your account, and your transaction data is secure via end-to-end encryption. Okay, so what we need to do is right now I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. Like I said, so look at the description right now. If you are watching this video right now, you should have the description, you should have the link at the description of this video. So I'm going to you can just click on it directly from there, then or you can just copy and paste it. So when you come right here, this is where you can get a bonus when you sign up with the link at the description of this video. So there are almost 3 methods that you can use to get into the Binance system. So if you are watching me from any part of this country or any part of the world, let me know the country that you are watching this video right from. So first, you can sign up with your phone or email address. You can sign up with your Apple account. Then you can also sign up with your Google account. So the first one that is general to everyone is this. So I'm going to use sign up with phone or email. So when I click on that, quickly it will take me to a page whereby I can select my country. Now, when I select my country, so right from here, you can see we have a lot of country that is being listed right here. So you can select from the list of country, and you can also do a quick, a smart search right here. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so you can do a smart search. So if I put this right here, or let me adjust it right now. So you might do a smart search and just search for your country. So I reside right in Nigeria. So I'll search for my country. So this is Nigeria. Then I'll click on that. When you click on your country, then you can quickly click on confirm. When you click on confirm, then it's going to take you to a page whereby you can provide your personal information. So it says the first step is you have to create your account by entering your account information. That's your personal information. Then you have to verify your account to protect your account. Then you have to unlock the price. So this is the price that I was telling you about. So if you follow the normal Binance link, then you are not going to get this unlocking of price. Okay, so this is the good thing right in this video. So at least you can start making some money with the bonus that you got. Okay, so right here we can create a personal account or we can create a business account. So if you want to start receiving payment in crypto with Binance, then you can go ahead and click create account as a business. Okay, that's create account as entity, but we are using this for personal purpose. Then we'll be creating a personal account. So when I click on create personal account, then it's going to take me to a page whereby I can provide my email and my password. Okay, so I'll put my email and password. Now when I quickly put my email and my password, then I want to click on this agree to share data for marketing purpose, agree to receive update from Binance. So you might want to do that, but I don't need that right now. So I'm going to continue by clicking on next. When I click on next, then it will take me to the next step of the registration. So this is very easy. Very easy. So this is very easy. So right here you will have to enter a verification code that has been sent to the register email address that you inputted on the previous page. So if you are trying to register into Binance system, try to be real as much as possible. Okay, so because they are going to be doing a lot of verification using email ID and a lot of them, so you have to make sure that all your information that you are providing to Binance are correct. So as you can see from here, from my email, you see Binance, your crypto journey starts now. So this is the activation code, that's 395897. 395. Okay, 395,897. Okay, so when I input the verification code, then I'll smash the submit button. Guys, if you are just coming across this channel, you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning viewer, you are not subscribed to this channel, please, I beg you, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to like this video. If you are getting value at all in this video, please go ahead and smash the red subscribe button. Here, what we need to do right now is we have to put our phone number. Okay, we have to put our phone number. So I'm going to pause this and put my phone number. So right now I've put my phone number and I've been asked to provide a verification code that is being sent to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the verification code that has been sent to me, right? So when I put that verification code, I'll click on submit. Okay, so phone number verified. Okay, so a lot of people are having issue to verify their Binance account. So this is a way to create and verify your Binance account. Okay, so right now we've created the first step, which is by creating the Binance account. We've created the Binance account and we've verified our personal information. That's why you see that it has ticked the first step in the registration process. So the second one we want to do right now is we want to verify our ID. Okay, so I'll click on I'll smash the verify now button. Okay, so right here we have to put our uh, our country, our first name, so that's KYCCUI, KYCUI, KYCUI last name, KYCUI middle name, and date of birth. Okay, so I don't want to put my own information because I have this account already and this might disturb my own account. So I'm going to put Deborah. Last name, that's this. Then I'm going to put I'm going to use someone. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to select just any dates, but make sure that the date you are selecting is actually correct. Okay, let me select this. So let me go back. Okay, let me just do something like this. Okay, or let me even change this name. I don't want to use my own name. Okay, so I don't want to use my own name. Okay, so I don't want to use my own name, then I have to use another name. Then I'll click on KYC continue. Okay, so when I click on KYC continue, then I want to enter my address. Okay, so let me just use one. Okay, so I provide my home address, then I provide my postal code, and I provide my city name. Okay, then I hit continue again. Okay, so right here we have to use our valid means of identification. Okay, so we have to use our valid means of identification right here. So it says select your document issuing country. So right here you click on your country. When you click on your country, like we did at the first stage, so you have to select your country from the list of country right here. We have a lot of country: Djibouti, Denmark, Dominica, Algeria, Ecuador, Estonia, Egypt. All of them, we have a lot of countries. So this is not limited to any country at all. So what I want to do right now is so we have NIN, ID card, passport, driver license. So the one you want to use, just click on that. Then I'll click on continue. Okay, so I'm going to enter the number right on this page. So because of security reasons, a lot of people are using other people NIN number. So I'm going to pause this video and come back. So right here, what you need to do next is you have to open the Binance app. So I said it the other time, you can use the Binance on the web, on your mobile app, iOS supported phone, and all of them. Okay, so what you can do is you open your Binance app on your phone, then you scan, you go to QR code, then you scan this barcode, then you come back to your desktop or to your laptop, then you click I have completed this on my phone. Okay, so when you click I have completed that, so the system will verify if you've actually completed that. So as you can see from here, I've not completed it. So you have not completed facial recognition yet. Okay, as you can see. So guys, what you need to do is just go ahead and complete the facial recognition from your mobile app by scanning the barcode that will be presented to you right on this page. Then you get to verify your ID. So we've bypassed or we've done the valid means of identification by putting NIN. In my own case, I use my international passport to verify my own ID. And in some cases, you might want to use your driver license. You are free to do that. Then what you need to do is you have to use your smartphone to scan this barcode right here that will be provided to you. This is not your own barcode. Your own barcode will be provided to you. So you scan the barcode, then it will verify you just to compare the picture that you have right here and the picture on your valid means of identification. Okay, so I believe this has helped you a lot to escape through creating the Binance account. So when you when you complete verifying your ID, then you will have to unlock your price. So get your price and start trading. Okay. So if you go back to Binance, then you can start to purchase or to start buying. You can see you have NFT right here. You have finance, you have trading market, buy crypto, and a lot of them. So you can start making money with Binance. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful to you. So in my next video, I will do a complete video on how you can mint NFT for free without paying any gas fee. So I'm supposed to show you my own NFT right now, but this is not the purpose of this video. So how I minted a lot of NFT online for free without paying a single gas fee. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you some other time. Love you all.